Welcome to an interactive streaming service that will allow your viewers to speak to you during live coverage. It consists of a two-way video transmission. We can connect several points to one another, such as companies in two different countries, trade fair stands, or clients halfway around the world. They will be able to communicate in this way, live, using video and sound, as if different television studios were connected to each other. This system is useful not only for classic events, but also for those occasions when you really need your viewers to be involved. Consider a trade fair stand where you can show live what is happening at a plant or construction site, or conferences, workshops, e-learning sessions and webinars where you can show live what's happening elsewhere. This system is ideal for demonstrating technologies and machinery where the client in a remote location can ask questions and request more details. Still live, you can also and simultaneously distribute your content to the most popular social networking platforms such as YouTube and Facebook. Your message will receive a huge boost. We use a portable 4K broadcasting system that can manage up to 10 cameras at a time, graphics and video contributions, and can be used for traditional live streaming, but on several platforms at the same time. Even if you don't have a good internet connection, landline or mobile at your location, we can provide one by connecting to a satellite. Connected to the world in real time. As easy as that.